How I started my investing journey with $13.10, that is 1000 Indian rupees, story time. This is a practical story, where I started investing with $13.10, that is 1000 Indian rupees. This happened some years ago. It is quite interesting. The thing is that I never invested any of the money before that day. I never had any idea how to invest money because my family had never been into investing before. This clearly was something which I had to figure it out as I started earning some amount of money. The first thing which I did was doing some Google searches about a thing. I am reading some articles, wasn't satisfied, but I knew that eventually if I keep learning about investing, I will definitely get more and more idea every single day, so I continued doing it. One day an idea struck me, which was that I will invest rupees 1000 and this will be an experimental money, with which I will play investing games so that I can get not only theoretical but practical experience of how to buy and how to sell stocks. This really led to learning about investing, and slowly, this transformed into reading investing books. But the main thing was that I started. If I never took an action, it would never have been possible that today I have a portfolio of more than $10,000, which is paying me without doing anything. And in the beginning, as a beginner, I started with mutual funds, learned about them, and then moved towards direct stock investing. So this is idea which worked for me. This can also work for every single beginner investor, because you can just learn everything by investing a very small amount of money and playing with it in the investing field. If you really want to start investing, then start small and just keep learning. For more this kind of awesome story time videos related to investing, books, and my business journey, subscribe to this channel.